Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to leave a like before you go, maybe share with a friend, and leave a comment. All those really do help out the channel, allow me to continue to make wonderful videos. So today's product I'm really excited to share with you. It is a 4K drone. It is great for beginners and seasoned pros alike. So let's go ahead and break down everything you are going to get, how well it operates, how the app works, and all the little details and everything about this thing. So right off the bat, the company is called Ruko, and this is the box it's going to come in. And like I said, it is the U11 Pro model. And I am going to include a link in the description that will take you to their website and Amazon so you can check out the details for yourself, see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that fun information. But let's go ahead and go in. What are you going to get right off the bat when you open it up? So first off, you're going to get this nice little hard carrying case, which has a zipper and a little strap here, which is going to protect your drone when you're not using it. Open this up, you're going to have a little foam insert that is going to cover the pocket here. So the drone fits right there, like so. And then the remote control here is going to fit in that spot. And then in this box here is the adapter that is for the cell phone and a spare battery. And then you have at the top here a mesh pouch, which will allow you to store all the other little parts and pieces that come with the drone itself. All right, so those additional parts and pieces. So first off, you are going to get two USB to USB Type-C cables. These are going to be used to charge the batteries and the remote control itself. So they include two of those. Now, I've left these in the bag just because I don't want to lose them. But you're going to get a full set of replacement parts. So in this bag here, I don't know if you're going to see that coming through the camera, but it is basically just a bunch of the propellers. So if a propeller gets damaged or breaks, you have a whole bag of replacements here. And then this pouch, same thing, don't want to open it up and get all lost here, but you're going to have basically a bunch of the spare screws to replace the propellers, and then they include a little mini screwdriver to change out those parts. So you have a full set, which is nice and important. Then you are going to get two batteries. Now I want to go over the battery life real quick here. Essentially, each battery runs for 26 minutes, so you have a total of 52 minutes of fly time. How the battery works is you see right there, that is where the USB Type-C plugs in. And when you plug it in, it's going to have these little lights that will flash and tell you how full it is. To check the status, just hold down the button there, and as you can see, it will turn on and show you. And then to turn that off, just hold down the button again. But yeah, so you're going to get two of these batteries. The other battery is attached to the drone right here on the bottom. And there's a little push buttons on the side. And you just push those in and then slide it on out like so. Then in addition to the batteries, you're going to get the remote control itself. Now, this drone can be controlled via the app or via the remote, so it's kind of up to you how you want to operate it. I find it's easier to operate with your phone sitting here and the remote, just because holding the joysticks, it's just more intuitive than touching the touch screen. But simply on the remote, when you get this, it is going to basically be like so. Let me go ahead and close this. So it folds nice and compact, and that's how you put it away. But to open up the antennas, you just pull that up, and then twist, and then pull like so. And then they're going to include this little adapter. So this is for your cell phone, and as you can see, it has a nice stretch here, so it should fit pretty much all sizes of phones. And then that just slides right like so on the back. And then on the end here is another USB Type-C charging port to charge the remote control. And then on the front here, you have the 2 joysticks. You have the switch to turn it on for the power. And then you have some quick access mode. So this is the GPS mode. This is a follow me mode. This is a point of interest where the drone will circle around. There's an automatic landing button. So you have all these quick access buttons. On the back here, you have a button to take pictures, a button to record footage, and then there's this little dial here which will change the angle of the camera. Now, all this can be controlled on the remote or via the app. Depending on the features, I find it a little bit easier just to touch the screen on the app, but you do have the options here also. And we're gonna go over the app here in a minute. So then finally, you have the drone itself. So this is the drone. It is all nice and compact. And then it is easy to set up. So let's go ahead and show you. First off, you're just going to pull out the various arms, so that way it is fully extended. And you want to make sure you do this in the correct order. It can only be done one way. It's pretty easy to figure out. But yeah, so then it fully extends there. On the bottom, you saw already has the battery, and it has the little flashing lights on the top there, light on the back, and then this is the 4K camera, which so it does shoot 4K photos and 2K video footage. So keep that in mind, and then the camera can adjust to 90 degrees. So let's go ahead and kind of show you the setup in the app. So the app that you will download is just called the Ruko app, and it is available in the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. And like I said, that'll allow you to control your drone via your cell phone, via the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth signals. Using the Wi-Fi, I do want to note that it does require your phone to have both the 2.4 and the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi signals. Pretty much all modern phones made in the last several years have that, so it does need that though, so keep that in mind if you have a really, really old phone that you're wanting to use to control this. But so yeah, let's go ahead and go through the app, all the settings that the app has, and then we're going to show you some footage of the drone itself, and then show you some actual recordings and photos that the drone it took, so you can see how the quality is. Okay, let's first cover the app. So once you download the Roku app in the Play Store, you are then going to connect the drone to its Wi-Fi and your Wi-Fi settings, and then it's going to pop up, and you're going to see this compass collaboration feature. So just follow the settings, so that way the compass is all aligned. And once you have finished this, it will automatically connect and show you the screen just like this, and then you're going to be ready to fly. So now let's go ahead and go over the other settings. Okay, so under the settings section in the app, you can adjust, you can leave it in beginner mode, or you can take it in advanced mode and adjust the maximum distance, maximum altitude, return altitude, all that kind of stuff. So you have a lot of custom settings. It also logs all the flight logs. You can recalibrate it again by selecting those. And then, of course, you can change to metric or feet. So you have all those various settings that you can use. Okay, so on the right-hand side, you can see you got the camera and you got the video camera. You just tap them for recording, and then you can also select the photos and bring up the various files. And then on the left-hand side, you have other controls like the joystick, the GPS follow, the camera angle, the filters. And you just select those by hitting the tap button, and it'll change the various modes, so that way you can kind of control it. And like I said, you can control this either via the remote or via the app. So you just kind of pick what method works best for you. And that's basically it. right, guys, I hope you enjoyed all that footage and all the various details. Hopefully I covered everything. I know there was a lot of stuff, so if I happen to miss something, be sure to leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Is there a drone that you really like out there? Leave all that in the comment section below. I do typically respond. And like I said, if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to leave a like, maybe share with a friend, and be sure to subscribe before you go. All those really do help out the channel. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.